TikTok is a video-sharing social networking service that has been available in the United States since 2016. It uses short-form videos anywhere from 15 seconds to 1 minute long in a wide variety of categories including, but not limited to, cat and dog tics, music, dance, comedy, and education. The videos tend to be a hybrid between entertainment and infotainment depending on what you're looking for. With the growing popularity and frequent updating of the system, ranges of audience demands have made it almost a necessity to use TikTok in our small home businesses. We will get deeper into how that works in future discussions. TikTok is available worldwide and currently there are 40 languages you can tap into for the service. While TikTok is not the only platform designed to share short videos, there is something about the app that is setting itself apart from others. Here are some fun facts about TikTok and the people who use it. Fun facts about TikTok. Fun fact: 50% of users are under the age of 34. Fun fact: content ranges on the scale from raw, real, funny, to shocking. Fun fact: the average TikTok user is on 52 minutes per day. Fun fact: 60% of users are female. Fun fact: 26% of users are 18 to 24. Fun fact: millennials and boomers are adding the TikTok app at an alarming rate. TikTok is more than dancing and comedy bits. TikTok is much more than 15 seconds of dance moves. In many ways, TikTok is taking the lead in producing influencers. TikTok influencers seem to go viral with alarming speed and oftentimes see a surge in their followers overnight from a single video. The app is ever evolving, and new categories are beginning and growing all the time, including interesting lifestyle categories, DIY and upcycling, business, and behind-the-scenes looks at industries typically off-limits to insider information. Who is using TikTok? The stats suggest most of the users are between 18 to 35, but those numbers are changing every day as every age group enjoys the benefits of TikTok. Though it is certainly entertaining, it is also a smart business tool. In the past year, TikTok has generated millions of dollars in revenue for its users in a wide variety of ways. From being an influencer to linking to goods and services, the potential to earn via TikTok is pretty amazing since there is no cost associated with the platform. In the end, there's no drawback to TikTok. The learning curve for making videos is fairly easy and the potential to generate revenue is easier and cheaper than other platforms that use ads like Facebook or Instagram. Having an account is as easy as downloading the app, and since it's been around a while, there are plenty of tutorials on how to maximize your account. TikTok is a relatively new social networking platform that may be a smart business move to get noticed and make money.